here in the direct class, we will discuss like that only, sir. Any problems is there, we will discuss and we will go. That is only live class useful, sir. Otherwise, if it is a video, continuous will go on. If you see or not, also it will go on. Chirag, now is it okay?
So it's fine now, sir.
Now it's fine, it seems, sir.
Yes, sir, it's clear, sir.
Now it's fine, it seems. And sir, when I'm going to erase the board, it is so difficult to erase, right? It is vibrating. So because of that, camera is not focusing more, I think. Because ink is it is not going, sir. It's sticking very badly. Once if previous ink, just if we erase like this, it is to. Yes, sir. Okay, now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. So it is the voltage across the capacitor and voltage across the inductor just equal to 0, that we have applied the Kirchhoff laws and we did. And voltage across the capacitor, we know when charge is giving to the conductor, it raises the voltage. So Q is equal to CV. When we was discussing about the capacitor, I have given this formula. From this, voltage is equal to Q by C. That's all. I didn't write anything new.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And inductor, when we are seeing the inductor, even self-inductance, when I am discussing the self-inductance, I given this formula equal to 0, right? And now
second line, the whole equation is equal to 0, sir.
Just in this place, I placed this Q by C. Voltage across the inductor is, I placed this, that one. It is the voltage in the inductor, di by dt. Voltage in the capacitor is Q by C. That's what I written. I didn't write anything new here. So now what will happen? Let I is equal to dq by dt. Let I equal to dq by dt. It is the suppose current, that current is induced current. If you feel like induced current, so minus.
Sir, again it's blurred, sir.
Yeah, Kushi, I think I don't know what is the problem.
Yes, sir. It's blurred, sir.
What happened today? Chirag.
Sir, again it's blurred.
Yeah. Everyone they are saying that.
Sir, it's fine now, sir.
Sir, it's fine now.
Okay, let's see. Now I is equal to minus dq by dt. Why? Because it is the induced current is developed in the inductor. Okay, now substitute here. Q, it is take equation 1. Take it is equation A. Substitute. Equation A in 1. Substitute that. What will you get? Let's see. Q by L. No, sorry. Q by C. Q by C minus L d by dt is okay. Is common. So I place minus dq by dt equal to 0. Minus into minus, it will be plus q by c plus d square q by dt square equal to 0. Can I write like this?
Sir, shouldn't it be d square t square, sir, dt into dt?
It is like just I write. I place I written, right? So dt into dt square, right? D into dt square.
Sir, it is double differentiation.
Chirag, who is that?
Sir, it's like double differentiation.
Yeah, double differentiation, correct. It is like double differentiation. D square q by dt square. Kushi,
Yes, sir.
okay na?
Yes, sir.
Let's see now. Q by C plus here L will be there. Here also one L and here also L by L. Just both sides I divided with L. Can I do that? Hello? Wait. Just wait. Q by C plus L d square Q by dt square. Now what I will do, Q by C into L plus by L d square Q by dt square. Just one L and L will get cancelled. So what you will remain? You will remain with d square
Sir,
Q by,
sir, but why are we dividing it by L, sir?
I will tell you, CL. If you divide with L, even though there is no any change, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, any change. There is no any change. Now see, to get this type of equation, did you see this type of equation at anywhere in the first year? First year, when you are studying oscillations lesson, did you see that type of question? D square y by dt square plus, did you see this? Omega. Hello? Hello? This type of equation, did you see? Omega square y equal to 0. Simple harmonic motion.
Damped oscillations.
Damped oscillations. Yeah, damped oscillations. See, once this equation are similar. Similarly, it is similar equation to this damped oscillations. Right here, up to here, right? Just write this VC minus VL equal to 0. VC plus Q by C. VL plus L di by dt equal to 0. Let L is equal L, let I equal to minus dq by dt. Why? Because this minus current is in the inductor, that is induced current. Induced current opposes the original current. So that we have written, just substitute that, and this equation you have to make it like a d square Q by dt square plus QCL. From that we know omega is equal to root L by C. Omega is equal to 1 by root LC. Even we know this. Okay. When we are discussing about this, what is the displacement? What equation we have written for displacement? In the damped oscillations, when we are discussing about damped oscillations, displacement also we have discussed. What is the displacement we used to write? In the y is the displacement, right?
Yes, sir.
How much we have written that time? Y equal to? Did you remember displacement equation? A sine
Plus omega t.
Plus phi. Did you remember?
Yes, sir.
Here, what is the A? Amplitude. What is pi?
The angle.
Phase difference.
Phase
difference.
distance.
Right? Phase difference. What is omega?
Angular frequency.
So angular frequency. Like that we have to write, we used to write, right? Now what is happening? Charges are moving. Charges are moving from one place to another place. Again, if it is a positive, and if it is negative, again positive charges will move in this direction and negative charges will come. So that process will happen because capacitor is a charge oscillator. When charge is oscillating, similarly Q is equal to Qm cos omega t plus phi. You can ask, sir, why we have written cos instead of sin? Why we have to write cos? First, what is happening? When these charges are moving from here to here, what is happening?
Decreasing.
Decreasing. Charges are decreasing. So decreasing function is cos function. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
When charge is decreasing, when the charge is decreasing, that means current, what will happen? When the charge is decreasing, means charges are decreasing. Or one charge, charges are moving. So when charges is decreasing, current, what will happen?
Increase.
Yes, when charge is decreasing, current will increase here. So current formula can we write basing on this?
So what is QM, sir?
Maximum charge. Maximum charge. First it is the maximum charge. After it will decrease. Okay? Right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now, charge we know. Charge is equal to, Q is equal to Qm cos omega t plus pi. Okay. When charge is decreasing, current will increase. So what is the relation between charge and current? We know that let I equal to minus dq by dt. Am I correct?
So we can say the charge is inversely proportional to the current.
Here in this situation, right?
Yes, sir.
We can say that. Now I is equal to minus dq by dt. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
So I equal to minus d by dt of charge means how much? Qm
QM
cos
phi
omega t
t plus phi.
plus pi. Now tell me, differentiate that. How much it will be? I equal to Qm, okay? Qm constant, cos omega t plus pi. How much? D by dt of cos omega t plus pi. Hello? Likita? Banu Prasad, please, anybody?
Sir, it will become sin omega t plus phi.
Sign or minus sign?
So cos is sin on minus sign, sir. Because
Differentiation,
that's
right?
Yes, sir.
So,
So
sign,
differentiation of cos theta is sin theta only, sir. But because of the minus sign outside, it is minus.
minus it is there, right? Keep minus. And
Omega, sir.
omega. I is equal to minus Qm sine omega t plus pi. It is my current equation. Charge is Q is equal to Qm cos omega t plus pi. It is charge equation. So capacitor is a charge oscillator. Inductor is a current oscillator. Let's see with some examples. We will see now.
Sir, it should be plus, no?
Right, current, because
Yes, sir. How is sign positive, sir? It should be negative, no, sir.
Cos
Differentiation of
differentiation of
cos
cos
is
is
minus.
minus sign.
That's what minus here. So minus and minus get plus. Yeah. Now let's see. Now see, sine graph for current. Cos graph for charge. So it is charge, it is current, it is 0, 0, 90, 180, 270, 360, like that. Here are 0, 90, 180, 270, so on, like that. Let's see. Now charge theta equal to 0. Theta equal to 0. If you place theta equal to 0, it is the, take it as the theta. So theta equal to 0, then current how much?
0.
So current is 0. That time charge how much will be there? Maximum, right?
Maximum.
When current is minimum, charge is maximum. When current is minimum, charge is maximum. Now, when current is maximum, charge is minimum, right?
Minimum.
So remember this. See the some pictures I will show you. Okay, understand, huh? Based on that, we can draw graphs. No problem in that. Easily we can draw that graph, sine graph and cos graph. We can keep theta equal to how much, cos pi equal to that pi value, how much we can place. We can write. Let's see. When time t equal to 0, when time t equal to 0, what is there? More charges, less current, right? More charges will be there, less current will be there. So it is where time equal to t equal to 0. Once after t seconds, what is happening? Current passes through the inductor. When current is passing through the inductor, we know magnetic field will develop. And the change in magnetic flux here produces induced EMF. So I current is passing. So here induced EMF will develop. That is the direction, in this direction. So charges are reducing. When charges are reducing, so current will increase. When this current is increasing, this inductor will reduce the flow of the increase of current. Right?
Isn't that the same thing you said for the first one? Like when T is 0, I will be less and more will be the charge.
Yes, yes. So even magnetic flux also will develop, right? Now see, when current is a very maximum, now current is increasing, charges are moving, so current is increasing, it is happening. Once if current comes to maximum amount, when current comes to maximum amount, what will happen when current comes to maximum amount? In
So will I
inductor,
becomes Q becomes 0, sir.
Q becomes 0, right? Maximum current means Q becomes 0, right? No charges. Okay, after what will happen? After what will happen, this situation will be negatives, positives. Sorry. Before negatives and positives. When when negatives are started moving from in this direction, so current direction will be in this direction here. So current is moving in this direction, so negative charges are going in this direction. Once current reaches to maximum value, charge will become 0. No charges are here. So after what will happen? All positive, negative charges will come this side. Positive charges will be in this direction. Again, what will happen? So that time current will be in this direction, right? Current will move in this direction. Hello? Chirag?
Yes, sir.
Chirag, understanding what is happening?
Yes, sir.
When the charges decreasing, if all charges come this side, again, charges will move in this direction. So current here, it is oscillating charges. Inductor, it is oscillating current, right?
Yes, sir.
So this capacitor is a charge oscillator. So energy oscillate. U equal to 1 by 2 in terms of Q CV square, right? This much of energy will be there in the capacitor. In inductor, how much energy will be there? U equal to 1 by 2 L I square. This way we will write in terms of charge also. Energies. So energies will be there. Energies will oscillate. When charge is moving, when charge is oscillating, that is due to capacitor. When current is oscillating, that is due to inductor. So these are the oscillations. When it is oscillating, just now we have expressed in terms of graphs also. How when charge is maximum, current is minimum. When current is maximum, charge is minimum. That's what we have discussed in the diagrams. Okay, it oscillates like that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Take current and charge also. So we can draw the graph. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. What is the use of the transformer?
To generate electricity.
Transformer. Bhanu Prasad?
So to increase frequency, voltage, sir. Step
Yes.
up and step down.
It is used to regulate the voltage. High voltage to low voltage. Low voltage to high voltage. So it is used to regulate the voltage. It will regulate the voltage, means high voltage to low voltage to high voltage. High volt to low voltage transformer is called step down. Step down transformer it is. Step down transformer. Low voltage to high voltage, step up. Step up transformer. On which principle it will work? Principle. Understand what is the use of the transformer? Hello.
So it used to regulate the voltage.
Yes. High voltage to low voltage. That's so transformers. How many types?
2 types.
Yeah. One is step up, step down. Step up transformer. Low voltage to high voltage. Mean when you are giving input as a low voltage, output you will get high voltage. That is step up transformer. When you are giving input is low high voltage, when you are getting output is less voltage, that is step down transformer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. On which principle it will work? On which principle it will work? Mutual inductance. What is the mutual inductance? Can you say what is the mutual inductance? Hello. What is the mutual inductance?
So by change in one coil, in another coil, yeah, induced EMF is
Yes,
produced.
change in current in one coil. One more coil, induced EMF will develop, right? That is only mutual inductance. Am I correct? It is my primary coil. It is secondary coil. Input source. Soft iron core. Soft iron core. Primary coil is a copper. This is also copper. Prepared with copper. It is input. AC voltage will go output, that is. Now see, when current is passing through this coil, it produces magnetic flux, right? We have to assume now, right? When current is passing through this coil, it produces magnetic field, right?
Can you repeat again?
When current is passing through the coil, magnetic flux will develop in this coil, right?
Yes, sir.
That magnetic flux passes through secondary coil. Hello. Hello. Let's see. In primary coil, here how many number of turns are there? N number of turns are there in primary coil. N number of turns are there in secondary coil. Ns is the number of turns in secondary coil. Np is the number of turns in primary coil. So in primary coil, what is the flux in primary coil? Suppose if it is 2, flux in one circle, like flux in one loop is 2 lines. If you take in the primary coil in one loop, flux in secondary coil, how much? How much flux in secondary coil in one loop? If you take one loop, how much? Flux in primary coil, if you take 2 lines, flux in secondary coil for each loop, how much? Hello, Likita?
Sir, M into
K
I.
cos theta, sir.
See, what I'm asking, flux is there, right? Flux is coming through the first coil. And in that coil, I'm taking only one loop. In one loop, how many lines of force coming out? 2, right? Kushi?
Yes, sir.
2 lines are coming, 2 lines of force, right?
Yes, sir.
In the secondary coil also, for each loop, how many lines of force will pass?
Same lines of force.
Same lines. But total flux here and total flux there, that is different.
Different.
Understand the concept? Flux through each and every coil, that is same. Flux through each and every coil is same. But flux through each and every loop, that is same. But flux through each coil is different. So flux through this coil is lesser than flux through this coil, right? Because here more number of turns are there. The Chirag? Chirag?
Yes, sir.
Chirag, did you understand?
Yes, sir. Understood.
See, total flux in primary coil, tell me. Total flux
So 2, sir.
in primary coil. Total flux in primary coil. Tell me now.
How many turns are there?
Here, number of turns. NP, number of turns. Given, no? Number of turns.
There's a
So
NP into
total
2.
flux in primary coil equal to NP pi, right?
So what is
NP is the total number of turns. Phi is the flux
yes,
through
sir.
each coil,
understood.
right?
Sir, I thought you were asking for the given.
Okay. Oh, given, not. Total flux through the secondary coil. Total flux in secondary coil, how much? Pi S, how much?
NS into
NS
pi.
into pi.
NS into pi. So induced EMF develop in the primary coil. EMF in primary coil. See, this is area A. It is also area A only. There is no any difference. How much area this coil it is, same area will be there. Area of the single loop is same, not total coil. EMF in primary coil, how much? E equal to d phi by dt, right? Hello. Chirag,
Yes, sir.
understand this? EMF.
Yes, sir.
So from this E equal to P flux P equal to NP common. Sorry, NP common. d phi by dt is nothing but how much?
What, sir?
Right? Something, yeah, d phi by dt is nothing but E. It is E1. So EP. EP is equal to NP E, right? Can we write like that? Change in flux produces induced EMF. ES is equal to NS E. If it is take equation and equation 2, EP by ES equal to NP by NS, right? Hello? Or step down transformer. Step up or step down? How much?
Step
How
up,
much?
sir.
Step up, because primary coil is less number of turns, secondary coil is more number of turns. So step up. Step down means what will happen? Primary coil is number of turns are more, secondary coil number of turns are less. Okay. Hello. Tejaswini?
Yes, sir.
Tejaswini, did you understand what is transformer? How many types of transformers are there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that diagram you have to remember. For problems and all we will do. Okay. How many lessons you completed, Tejaswini, till now?
So I'm doing magnetism, sir.
Magnetism. Moving charge magnetism.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After one more lesson, what is there? AC currents, huh?
Induction.
Electromagnetic induction also is there. Yes. Hmm. Anjali,
Yes, sir.
how many lessons you completed?
4, sir.
Okay. Okay, when we have to go to test, objective not, theoretical test. Hello?
Which chapter, sir?
First and second. 40 marks paper. First and second 40 marks paper. Means
What,
10.
sir?
Test.
When, sir?
That's what I'm asking. When I have to conduct. Because we have to conduct even theory test also, no?
So like my exams just got over and I didn't prepare anything like whatever you have taught, sir. Till now. So
First lesson and second lesson.
yes, sir, you can take, sir.
Yeah,
and
first
second.
lesson, second lesson. After third and fourth, fifth and sixth. Okay, everyone, please, can you tell one of the date that day can, if we can conduct? Tejaswini?
Can we do it before the term 1 exam starts, sir?
That's what. When it is term 1 examinations.
So maybe September end.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
September
Thank you,
1st is
sir.
our first test. Please, that is our first test. Hello.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.